landed in San Francisco.
Oh my god, we got everything. Hula. I got a big dandelion. That's the one that I bought, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That I won here to come here. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Unbelievable.
Wall of shame, which is all the products that we've discontinued. I love coming in here because it looks like a grocery store and you get to read the little backstories on each of the products.
Hey guys, so we're just in Benefit headquarters right now in San Francisco. Craziness, madness, it's absolutely insane. It's so fab. Everything is so pink, so pink. We've just been filming here all morning. Loads of cool new content coming to the Cloud 10 page as well. I filmed my brow routine, loads of new products that are coming out for Benefit as well. Really exciting day ahead. So we're just after finishing up filming all our content. We're gonna go get a bite to eat because we're starving, and we're gonna actually go on a tour of San Francisco right now in our cute little van, as you will see. So we'll be taking you around San Fran, all the touristy places, all that good stuff, all that fun stuff. Get eyelashes from my car. I have to.
Hey guys, we're off in our VW van around San Fran. We're so excited. Thanks so much to Benefit and Cloud 10.
Fantastic, absolutely amazing.
Unreal.
Best ever. Best ever. So this morning we're off to where are we after?
Laurie's Diner. It's gonna be amazing.
So Sarah, what was your favourite part of the trip so far?
So far, I have to say, we had a lovely surprise when we got to the hotel. The Benefit left us like really nice products on our bed, like a whole bag full. It was just so lovely. It was a really nice touch when we landed into the hotel. It was really nice. I loved it.
And Cora, what was yours?
I have to say, the Golden Gate Bridge, I was in awe. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely amazing.
And Keilidh?
Two Peaks, we got to literally see the whole, what are you laughing at? We got to see the whole, like, everything in San Francisco, like the city. It was insane, so good.
Yeah. And Jasmine?
Mine was the Benefit pink bus, the Volkswagen mini bus, yes.
And Darren?
Mine was the Twin Peaks as well. The view was unreal.
And I love the bus tour, it was amazing.
Amazing! It's the absolute dream, isn't it?
Hey, so we're at Benefit Beauty Central today in San Francisco.
a coin back in the day. So long story short is they were in San Francisco, kind of not being the most productive citizens, if you will. They were young and partying their butts off. And their mother, my grandmother, called them and was like, I'm coming to San Francisco. If you don't have a job, I'm bringing you back to Indiana because I have a feeling you girls are up to no good, right? So, which they were. So they literally flipped a coin and they were either going to open a cafe where they served like American casseroles. Do you guys know what those are? It's just basically like, it's like any kind of like, it's gross. No one really eats them anymore, but it's like a lasagna, but like you can just put anything in it. It's like very American. Or they were gonna open up a makeup shop. So literally they flipped a coin and they ended up on makeup. And so that's when they opened up their first store. Yeah. So I always say we could all be in the casserole industry if it weren't for that coin. We're already working on 2025, 2028 it feels like. So yeah, it's fun. We've got a lot of fun stuff in the pipeline.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So like when you were thinking of setting up all the brow products, like so you're saying you were doing 5 years ahead, but like we probably still had no eyebrows then and didn't even realise that eyebrows were going to be a cool thing.
That's what's really interesting is that, you know, from our brand, we've been talking, we've been waxing brows for 40 years.
Yeah.
You know, we've been talking about brows for so long. I actually just posted a picture on social of what our brow products used to cost back in 1980, and I think it was $4 was our browsings, which we still have in our line today. So this is kind of really the breakdown of what we feel is the magic behind our brand and is really our key point of difference because, you know, laughter being the best cosmetic, we're basically, you know, a big beauty company saying that you don't even need makeup. It's just about your state of mind. It's not about how you look or the products you use. And that's really what we try to infuse into all of our products. So the packaging, the names, you know, that's why we put all of that love into the product because to us, we've done our job if she's had a good time. If she buys product, it's like icing on the cake, right? But that's why when you go into the stores, you're always saying like, oh my God, these women are just like crazy. They're always like, you know, so happy. And it's just, that's what we're trying to bring to life to girls because it can be a little bit of an intimidating industry sometimes. And so we like to make sure that it's about the feel-good, fun experience.
So we're at Pier 39. It is incredible. Look. Where are we heading? In-N-Out Burger! We're at Alcatraz. Have a look.
movie is not as perfect.
Bye bye, San Fran.